Every English learner says the same word every single day, in texts, in conversations, in class, at work. The word is good. How was your food? Good. Did you enjoy the movie? Good. How are you? Good. And here's the strange part.
Native English speakers, they almost never say just good.
So what do they say instead?
In the next 10 minutes, we'll show you 12 powerful words. Words that make your English sound more natural, more confident, and honestly, more human.
And the best part? These words are actually easy. You just haven't been taught them yet.
Okay, real talk for a second. Have you ever been in a conversation in English and someone asks you something simple and your brain just freezes?
Yeah, that happens to almost everyone.
And sometimes you do find a word, but it's always the same word. Good.
It's like good is your safety word. It works. It's not wrong. Nobody gets confused. But here's the thing.
Doesn't show who you really are.
Imagine this. You study English for months. You watch videos, you practice, you work hard. And then someone asks, "What did you think of that song?" And you say, "It was good."
And they smile politely. Inside, they didn't really feel anything. Because good doesn't carry feeling.
But what if you said, "It was amazing. I couldn't stop listening."
Now, suddenly, the conversation feels alive.
That's what today is about. Not grammar, not rules, just 12 simple words that make your English sound warmer, smarter, and more real.
Let's start.
Okay, so we picked 12 words. Each one is a replacement for good, but they're not all the same.
Right, because how good something is matters. Like, a pizza can be good, but your favorite pizza from your favorite place, that's a different feeling.
Exactly. So we organized the words into 3 groups.
And after each word, we'll give you a real example sentence. Then we'll practice it together. Ready?
Word number 1, nice.
Nice is soft and warm. You use it when something is pleasant, not amazing, just comfortable, lovely, easy.
Real life example. The weather today is really nice. The weather today is really nice. Or, that was a nice conversation. Thank you. That was a nice conversation. Thank you.
Word number 2, pleasant.
Pleasant is a little more formal than nice, but it's still easy to use.
It means something that makes you feel comfortable, relaxed, happy in a calm way. Real life example, the restaurant had a very pleasant atmosphere.
The restaurant had a very pleasant atmosphere. The restaurant had a very pleasant atmosphere. Word number 3, solid.
Ooh, I love this one. Solid is a modern word. Very natural, very casual.
When something is solid, it means it did exactly what it was supposed to do. No problems. Reliable.
Like, you watch a movie. It's not life-changing, but it's good. Well made. You say, that was a solid movie. That was a solid movie.
Or after a meeting at work. I think we did a solid job today. I think we did a solid job today.
Word number 4, decent.
Decent means not amazing, but not bad either. It's satisfactory, acceptable, okay, but in a more natural way.
Native speakers use this a lot. For example, the food was decent. I'd probably go back.
The food was decent. I'd probably go back. The food was decent. I'd probably go back.
Or, she got a decent score on the test. She got a decent score on the test.
Okay, group 1, done. Now things get more interesting.
Because these next 4 words, they carry emotion. Group 2, really good. Use these when something is more than just okay. It actually impressed you. Word number 5, wonderful.
Wonderful feels warm. It means something made you feel genuinely happy.
This word is great for expressing real feelings. Like, that was a wonderful experience. That was a wonderful experience.
Or imagine someone cooks for you. This meal is absolutely wonderful. Thank you. This meal is absolutely wonderful. Thank you.
Absolutely wonderful. Those 2 words together, native speakers say this all the time.
Word number 6, Excellent.
Excellent means very high quality, better than expected.
It's a strong word. Not the strongest, but strong. People use it at school, at work, in professional conversations.
Real life examples? You did excellent work on this project.
You did excellent work on this project.
Or after a presentation. That was excellent. Really impressive. That was excellent. Really impressive. Word number 7, impressive.
Ooh, I like this one a lot. Impressive means something surprised you, in a good way.
You expected something normal, but it was better than normal. It impressed you.
For example, your English is really impressive.
Your English is really impressive.
Or watching someone do something difficult, that performance was truly impressive. That performance was truly impressive. Word number 8, brilliant.
I love brilliant. It's used a lot in British English, but Americans use it too, and it sounds so natural.
Brilliant means very, very good, clever, creative, impressive in a smart way.
Like for an idea. That's a brilliant idea. Let's do it.
That's a brilliant idea. Let's do it.
Or for a movie? The story was brilliant, so creative. The story was brilliant, so creative.
Okay, are you still with us? Because we saved the best ones for last.
These next 4 words, you use them when something is so good, it almost takes your breath away.
Seriously, these are the words that make people feel your excitement. Group 3. Wow, amazing good. Use these for things that truly excited or moved you.
Word number 9, fantastic.
Fantastic is energetic, happy, excited, full of life.
When something is fantastic, you want other people to know how happy it made you feel. Real example, we had a fantastic time at the party last night. We had a fantastic time at the party last night. Or texting a friend after a trip. The trip was absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend. The trip was absolutely fantastic. Highly recommend.
Word number 10, outstanding.
Outstanding is a powerful word. It means something stands out. It's above everything else.
It's the kind of word you use when something is truly the best. Not just good, the best.
For example, a sports moment. That was an outstanding game. Absolutely incredible.
That was an outstanding game. Absolutely incredible.
Or for a person. She's an outstanding teacher. Really the best. She's an outstanding teacher. Really the best. Word number 11, exceptional.
Exceptional means this is rare. This doesn't happen often. It's special.
When something is exceptional, it's not just better than good, it's better than most things.
Real example, a restaurant. The service here is exceptional, truly special.
The service here is exceptional, truly special.
Or for a student's work, this essay is exceptional. You should be proud. This essay is exceptional. You should be proud. And the final word, word number 12, incredible.
Incredible. This word is everywhere in natural English.
It means hard to believe how good this is, like your brain almost can't process it.
Think about the last time something really surprised you, made you smile, made you feel something big. That moment, that's incredible.
Real life examples. The view from the mountain was incredible. The view from the mountain was incredible.
Or a song you love. I can't stop listening to this, it's incredible. I can't stop listening to this, it's incredible.
Okay, let's do a quick review. Everyday good. Nice. Pleasant. Solid. Decent.
Really good. Wonderful. Excellent. Impressive. Brilliant.
Wow. Amazing good. Fantastic. Outstanding. Exceptional. Incredible.
12 words that replace one word, and each one tells people exactly how you feel.
Here's something I want you to think about. When you say just good, people don't really know you. But when you say, that was brilliant, or this is incredible, people can feel your personality.
And that's the real lesson today. It's not just vocabulary, it's expression.
Expression means showing who you are through your words. When you express yourself clearly, people connect with you. They remember you. They like you.
And that's what language is really for. Not grammar, not tests, connection.
So the next time someone asks you, how was your day? Don't just say, good.
Say, it was a really solid day, actually. Honestly, it was fantastic. Or even just, it was nice, really calm.
Because each of those sentences shows a different feeling, shows a different you. And that is something no textbook can teach.
I want to say something real before we go. A lot of people feel embarrassed about their English. They think, my vocabulary is small. I make mistakes. I don't sound natural. And they stay quiet because staying quiet feels safer.
But here's what we believe. You don't need perfect English to be heard. You just need more words, more ways to say what you feel, more ways to show who you are.
And that's exactly what today was. 12 more words, 12 more ways to be yourself.
So starting today, just try one. Not all 12, just one. Say solid instead of good, or wonderful, or incredible, and notice how the conversation changes.
Notice how people respond. Notice how you feel, because every new word you use is a small piece of confidence, and small confidence builds big confidence.
And one day, without even realizing it, you'll stop reaching for good, because you'll have something better, something more you.
And honestly, that's an incredible feeling.
Okay, before you go, we have a challenge for you. In the comments below, write one sentence using any word from today. Something like, the weather is wonderful today, or I think this podcast is brilliant. We would honestly love that.
And if this episode was helpful, please share it with one friend who's learning English, because the best thing you can do for a learner is show them something that makes English feel possible.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
You don't need to be perfect.
you just need to be you. Bye for now.
Bye for now.